This is a video how to use the barbecue at the house. Underneath here, first thing to just double check is on the right side under here, there are two valves. One is connected to a cable gas line that goes to the barbecue, and the other goes up to a stove burner over here, like a saucepan burner. If the blue valve is in line with the gas line, it's on. If it's across the gas line, it's off. But first thing to check is to make sure the one you're using is on, and you can leave that on. Before we start using the barbecue, the next thing to check is on the side of the house here are two propane tanks. I use the one here closest to the pool first, and if that's full, use this other one back here. And you turn it on by turning that on, turning it, and up here is a valve that switches between one tank or the other. Right now this little thing here is pointed to this tank, so that's the tank it's pulling from. You'd switch this over to this side for that tank. It's important every time after you use the barbecue, please turn the propane tank off at this location to prevent any issues, loss of gas, or anything like that. Going back into the cage to light the barbecue. There's two burners here, left and right. The right side, if you look here, a little different design. This is a very hot side for searing steaks or tuna or something like that. On the left side, it's a lower heat, briquettes, and it's just a lower heat for cooking food at a lower temperature, but it still gets pretty hot. This side gets very hot. And the way you ignite is you basically push it in just a little bit, and then turn it to where it says ignite or high, I believe. And let it go for about 8 seconds or so, and it's about 8 seconds, and then you push it in and you hear clicking and you get a ignition or a flame. Don't be over the flame or the barbecue when you're lighting. Just be a step back, and it should light that easy. It's about 8 seconds. This side as well. I'm going to turn it until it's at ignite or high, which is there, I believe. And it lit from this side, but same thing. If it hadn't, you would have just about 8 seconds. You just push it in and you hear clicking, and it's sparking is what that does. And up top here there's lights and an exhaust vent that's controlled under here, and there's lights right there. And when you're done barbecuing, turn it to the off position, off. And then again on this outside here, go to the outside where the barbecue, where the tanks are there, and turn off in a clockwise position, rotation to turn off the gas.